This is another contraption I found on Amazon.com. It's an HEH mixer. It's to mix your resin. I'm doing a 1-in-1. 2-in-1. That's resin. That's resin. And I have these hair combs, or these hair thingies for gifts for my aunts. A lot of them have long hair. And I also have a bookmark holographic mold that I'm going to be using those on as well. I'm not going to use them for bookmarks. I think they would look really good as hanging tassels for indoor pieces. In any case, you hear how quiet that is? I mean, I can't even hear it. In any case, just wanted to share this with you. I'm going to be, supposedly it doesn't leave any bubbles, so we'll see if that's the case. So it's done mixing, and there's not very many bubbles. It's not bubble free, but there's not very many bubbles in it. It's really quiet. It mixes well, and there's not very many bubbles. So I believe it was a good purchase. I'm not sure, I got it on sale for like 15 bucks. And I was able to set this on there and go and tend to my polymer clay in the oven and not worry about it. I went and I was doing stuff for 5 minutes, and it didn't spill or anything. It's not really violent, it's not by itself it's really powerful, but it's not really hectic. I was just taking this out of the oven. I'm trying my film on that to see if it transfers, and it does. So in any case, this is my degasser. I didn't have many bubbles in there, but I wanted to get whatever is in there out. This is my degasser. I want my work table. My work table is rather messy. My work area, rather messy. But in any case, I said I would show you the process. You hear a little buzzing? That's excuse me, Father, that's all the noise that it makes. And it runs off of the power cord that's connected to my extension cord. And I'm telling you, it got rid of all the bubbles. I don't know if you can see that, but there are a little more bubbles than I thought there was, but it didn't tear them for me. And again, this was from Resiners, and it was $58 on Amazon.com. My mixer that I showed you prior, I think I got on sale for $15. In any case, just wanted to show you the process of my degasser, removing the bubbles from my resin. God bless you. Can you see those bubbles now? There's a lot more than I thought there was. But they're all rising to the top. So they're slowly rising. They're gathering at the top, and then they'll just pop. It's a really good degasser. Like I said, I wasn't sure I wanted to pay that much for it, as I have to be frugal with my... See how the cup is turning? That's just from the vibration. I wasn't sure I wanted to spend the money, but I'm really glad that I did. I don't know, maybe I need to center that cup in there better. I better tend to it, or it's going to spill over or something. Alright, I wanted to show you the process. I'm hoping that you can see this. See how the bubbles are all on the top? And you just place the cup inside the column, the container, and turn it on. Okay, God bless you. I'm not sure, maybe this doesn't work as well with the 2:1 ratio resin, but in any case, when it's done doing its thing, you have to unplug. I was supposed to turn it off and then unplug it, degasses, and then it takes all of the last little bubbles from the top. Just takes them off. There's still a few bubbles on the crevice, on the outer bottom crevice of the cup, but for the most part they're all gone. Then you wait 10 minutes for it to completely degas. See, they're all gone from the top now. You wait 10 minutes for it to degas, or a couple of minutes, and then you can lift this off. But see, there's still pressure in there. There's still pressure. But in any case, so you open that, you unplug that, turn it off, unplug that, and open this, and it degasses it. Oops, I'm sorry. This degasses it, and then you're ready to pour. This is the Resiner's Degasser, and I think it's worth every penny. God bless.